Welcome to Charming Kitchen Garden. I'm Patty, a homemaker and home tender, doing my best to live a quiet, simple life, serving God and finding beauty and joy in everyday moments. Well, hello there. I know it's been a while, and truth be told, I wasn't really sure I'd ever be back. But after a few months of nudging from the Lord, here I am, a bit older, hopefully wiser, with a renewed vision and passion to share. This morning, like most mornings, I've been staring at my computer screen with my now cold cup of coffee, willing myself to start writing down the words the Lord has put on my heart. Why is it so intimidating to look at a blank page, blank wall, or blank garden bed and suddenly feel so ill-equipped to begin? All the lists, plans, and inspiration boards seem to vanish from our minds when confronted with the reality of actually doing the thing and doing it well. I have over 50 subjects written down that I'd like to expand on, but somehow the thoughts racing through my mind are not magically jumping to my fingers and onto the screen. maybe it's best that I just give you an overview of where I'd like to go with all of this in the months to come. As always, seeking to glorify God and encourage your walk with Him comes first. I'd love to talk about being a good steward in our homes and what that actually looks like. Finding peace and overcoming worry. Feeling alone in a dark world. Stretching our food budget. Reclaiming joy. Letting go of guilt. How to handle broken family ties. Decluttering. Embracing the holidays when the nest is empty. Spending less on impulse buys. Remembering the old ways. And just getting back to the basics. The list really does go on and on. I guess the bottom line and end goal is to encourage and remind you and me that there is a joy and peace to be found in this season of life. And starting is always the hardest part. If these subjects resonate with you, then I'd love to have you join me as we reclaim a full but unhurried, peace and joy-filled life, even into our golden years. Thanks for stopping by.